Stocks on Wall Street fell sharply on Thursday after the Federal Reserve announced it was hiking rates by half a percentage point. The Dow dropped more than 3%. The Nasdaq faring even worse, tumbling almost 5%. Both were the indices' biggest daily drops in nearly 2 years. Suk-hyen with this report.
U.S. stocks pulled back sharply on Thursday following the Federal Reserve's move to curb the country's worst inflation in 40 years. Major Wall Street benchmarks ended lower, erasing most of the gains made from the previous session. The tech-heavy Nasdaq dipped almost 5% to finish at 12,317, its worst daily percentage fall since June 2020 and also its lowest closing level since November 2020. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped more than 3%, posting its worst daily performance since October 2020. Thursday's broad sell-off comes as investors fret over bigger rate hikes in the next couple of months after the U.S. Federal Reserve raised its benchmark interest rate by half a percentage point.
The market is in an enormous amount of uncertainty, and uncertainty is one of the biggest killers of any market. And so the fact that we are uncertain about what inflation is going to do, what the Fed is going to do in reaction to inflation, and then ultimately how that impacts global growth is what's really driving markets down today.
During a press conference, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell explicitly ruled out a 75 basis point rate hike, but said he was looking at additional 50 basis point increases to rein in inflation.
Inflation is much too high, and we understand the hardship it is causing, and we're moving expeditiously to bring it back down. We have both the tools we need and the resolve that it will take to restore price stability on behalf of American families and businesses.
It was not only stocks that suffered following the Federal Reserve's announcement. Traders headed for the exits in cryptocurrency markets as well, with Bitcoin prices dipping to $36,900 on Thursday, erasing Wednesday's 6% gain. Suk-hyen, Arirang News.